This is Kerwin with TravelBlogger101 and another monetization tip for you today. This is my I'm an airline geek, as you know. It's my Singapore Airlines pajamas because it's late at night, but I wanted to give you these 5 tips. So we're going to talk about, and I just want to make sure I get them right, so I wrote them down for you. So we're going to talk about the top 5 ways to make money with your travel blog. And as you know, this is the monetization channel. And the number one way, well, not the number one way, but number one is affiliate marketing. And here's how it works. You promote products or services from brands you trust and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. And I do have an entire section that's all in affiliate marketing for you. Actionable tip, sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, which is really called, I don't think it's called Amazon Associates anymore. It has a new name now. And Booking.com, niche travel products like travel gears, apps, insurance to integrate relevant affiliate links into your blog content. It's weird when you write stuff down and you have to read it. But you get what I'm talking about there. So go sign up for these affiliate programs. You can just search something that says, let's say you want Marriott Hotel Affiliate Program, and it'll give you a link to where the affiliate program is. Why does it work? High income potential when you recommend products your audience genuinely need or want. And how do you know what people want? You survey them. That's the easiest way to figure it out. And if you look at the affiliate, and I'm going to put a link somewhere probably up here over one of my shoulders. So you'll be able to go look at the affiliate marketing special presentation that I did. I haven't done anything on sponsored content yet, but I'm going to do something on that. Sponsored content is when brands pay you to write blog posts, create social media content, or review their travel-related services or products. And reach out to travel brands, airlines, hotels, or travel companies offering content packages tailored to their targeted audience. There are some websites that actually are set up to help you to do that, like IZEA or Aspire IQ, and you can connect with the brands there. I'm going to do a complete section on this. It hasn't been done yet, but I will do one on that. Now, why does this work? With the right audience, brands will pay for access to your readers, especially if you have strong niche authority. Number 3, which is a big one, ad revenue. Ad revenue, how it works. Display ads on your website and get paid per impression or click-through networks like Google AdSense, Mediavine, or Ezoic. And there's another one called AdThrive. I haven't done anything on this yet, but I'm going to do a big piece on this. This is how a lot of blogs make money. One of the problems with this, though, is that it depends on search engine optimization. So you're getting traffic from Google. Google just did what they call their content updates, helpful content updates, which is not very helpful for us, but helpful for Google, but not very helpful for us. And so that didn't work for many bloggers. So a lot of bloggers who were expecting traffic straight from Google lost a lot of business just because they now no longer get the traffic that they used to get, which is why I'm doing this monetization course so you can monetize differently other than just advertising revenue or Google traffic. Why does it work? Because you get passive income that scales with your blog traffic, making it easier to earn as your audience grows. Number 4, sell digital products. That is going to be the topic I'm working on for tomorrow. How does it work? You create and sell ebooks, travel guides, itineraries, packing lists, or printable travel planners directly through your blog. And it's a digital product, so it doesn't really cost you anything to create the digital product except your time. Actionable tip, develop digital products that solve specific travel pain points for your audience. And like a 30-day travel planning guide or ultimate packing checklist for adventure travelers, etc. So ask your audience what is bugging them and try to solve it by creating a guide for them. Packing lists are great things for them. Why does it work? One-time effort to create products that can be sold indefinitely with no inventory or shipping required, which is a key. Number 5, offer travel consultancy service. Some people don't do this. But you can charge someone like 25 bucks to book a ticket for them because you know what? They don't want to do it. They can't find the time, they can't find the flights, they don't know how to find the things that you know how to do. And if you're doing something like miles and points, you can charge up to 100, 200, $300 if you're going to find some points. Tell people how to find ways for people to use your points that they would never think about. Actionable tip, set up a booking form in your blog where readers can hire you for travel content or service, such as itinerary planning, visa advice, or destination recommendations. There are some programs where you can set it up so when people they create a form, they put all the information in, and you get that information in the back end. And then you take that and you create whatever it is that they want to create. Works really great. You can charge like, 25 to $50 to maybe $25 a person that you're booking. And that can be very lucrative because people are lazy. And if you know what you're doing, you can totally help them. Why does it work? Because you're doing personalized service that you can command premium pricing for, especially if you have expertise in that niche travel areas like luxury, adventure, or budget travel will definitely work. So you can that's the five hot, I guess, tips that I have for you that you can monetize. It's kind of probably the easiest way to do monetization. Of course, it's all a lot of work. You don't have to do all of them. Just take one and run with that one and work with that one. And then once you get that one to work, then you can add more to it. So if you have any more tips to add, just let me know. Leave a comment, share this video. Um, and I think that's all I can think about. So that's it for the pajama episode. I'll see if you like the pajama episodes, and I'll probably try to do one every now and again. And maybe I'll get a pajama episode sponsor. Hmm. We'll see how that works. This is Karim, the Travel Blogger 101. Have a great night, and we'll talk soon.